The next thing is we finished adding the items to our list, and here right now in this items we would be having the all the list items. Now we are going to see an important JavaScript function because it's going to help us to display the items. The function name is called map. It is used to display the items from an array. So let me show you how to do that. Here you can see whenever I add an item in the to-do list, those items will get added in this items array, and if I want to display that, I can get access to it by typing items dot map, and this map function will take another function in which we can get access to each of the array items by typing as items or an item, and I'll just console log it so we can just see what are the values present there. So console.log item. So let me save it, and now if I just go to the browser and if I open the inspector here, if I just add something like get your work done, and if I click the add button, you can see once I add it there, it is getting displayed in the console. And let me add another one. Now if I click the add again, yeah, you can see this, right? So it's adding whatever text I add here, it's getting console because those things are getting stored in the array. Then it's working perfectly fine, right? So the last thing which we need is we need to display the items here, right? So we would do that in the next lesson.